When they left and it would rain again, they would be leaking. Call him back, he'd come back, do some work.
Yeah.
Next time it rained, leaking. Money down the drain for nothing is what it was. All of a sudden it's, well, I don't know. We'll get back to you.
Yeah.
And it just became what I realized was going to happen, a prolonged legal thing.
Yes.
Costing more money.
Right.
And my roof was still going to leak every time it rained. And I didn't want to make another mistake. I didn't want to end up paying a lot of money for nothing.
Right.
Again.
The previous quote that I had received for a metal roof was 3 times the quote that I got from Gator. So, like I said, you know, we had always wanted one, but the cost seemed prohibitive. But when Gator came along, everything fell into place and made sense.
I've had other companies come out, and a lot of the companies that come out didn't, even though they say they specialize in metal roofs, they steered right towards the shingles. And we're in a hurricane-prone area, and we've had enough of the shingles.
It was the third one I called.
Okay.
But when I talked to the salesman, he offered me, you know, in great detail the whole process, you know, and the great is price and the quality of the material is great. I did my own research, and that's why we went with Gator.
Got an excellent deal. Before I purchased my roof, I went through 3 different people who do metal roofing, and the price with Gator was an excellent price. I couldn't complain about it. And yes, it was a nice choice, excellent choice.
And everybody compliments me on the color of the roof.
Your
all the
neighbors
time.
have mentioned it?
Neighbors, the town hall is right across the street from here. The police department, it looks great. The mayor has been over here. It looks fine.
I think you made a perfect choice.
I did. I got so lucky when I found y'all. I really did.
So you've gotten a lot of on your roof.
Very much so.
What did they say?
Love it.
It makes the neighborhood look better. I think our property value has gone up higher than we thought it would, but it's good because we're going to be here a while.
What specific features or aspects of Gator Metal Roofing's products stood out to you?
The fact that it was, this is your specialty. This is what you do. This is all that you do.
We like the fact that, like my wife said, that we had that confidence that they would do the right job, do it professionally and at a good price.
I would recommend Gator any day, because to me, when someone's been in business that long, for over 30 years, they got to know what they're doing.
I mean, if you're going to have something done, you go for the best.
Yeah.
And my husband and I do that for everything.
All right.
So we knew it was the best of the best, and it's worth paying for. Good things are worth paying for. Things of value are worth paying for.
We loved working with Gator Metal Roofing. They came in, they were prompt, they were professional, they were polite, clean, well-mannered, and they explained everything. It just has been a really, really great experience, our Gator Metal Roof. We have really, really appreciated it.
The customer service is really good. Like I say, when I called, they returned my call, and they told me who was coming out, and he was here the next day on time.
Love the roof.
Yeah.
Metal. Your workers are beautiful. They talk with you, let you know what to expect from the roof.
Yeah.
You know, so that put me in there. Everybody was so nice.
Yeah.
You know, and I enjoyed that.
Any of my friends that need a metal roof, that's a lifetime roof, that is a good roof, hurricane proof, and excellent customer service, Gator Metal Roofing is the place to go.